Sailing across Enkalaka to the land of our fathers and mothers, the boat is the namesake of the place. Lost to us, claimed by others. Lost to us, but not forgotten. Were you with us at the crossing to guide or counsel or oversee our long-awaited journey to the place? Lost to us, claimed by others. Lost to us, but not forgotten. There stands in the dark the mountain. We do what we can to remember the lost land, to remember the ever-giving hand. Leave your slavery, follow a cloud through the desert. Leave your slavery, follow fire through the desert. Were you with us at the crossing? Forever with us at the rock. Were you with us all